All right, welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back, all kinds of good things. Well, today we're going to be talking about different side gigs, side hustles, ways you can actually make money per month on part-time basis. Again, kind of like side hustles. So not going to be talking about crypto today. We're going to be talking about 7 different side hustles that you can actually make money with. Some of them are full-time, some of them are part-time. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, so why are we doing this? There's a lot of people looking to make money. Some people are trying to make it with crypto. Some people are trying to buy the coin and have it shoot to the moon. Some people are looking for passive income projects. And again, this is where these side hustles are going to come in. So our first side hustle that we're going to talk about is Product Tube. So Product Tube is something that you can do on a part-time basis. Let's go ahead and head over to the website. And right here it says Product Tube. You know, Product Tube, it says it's the only website that rewards you for making short videos about everyday shopping habits. Make short videos and get rewarded. Download the app to get started. So how does it work? You know, one, you sign up. You go to producttube.com from your smartphone or your laptop. 2, you record, you start receiving invites and video projects, follow the simple instructions and record your product experience. 3, you upload the video to ProductTube directly from your phone using your iPhone or Android on onlineproducttube.com. And number 4, you get rewarded within 48 hours and you'll start receiving your rewards via Amazon gift certificates. So it looks like you get paid in Amazon gift certificates, and look what it says. Make $50 to $80 an hour. 1 hour effort per month. So this little side hustle, side gig, I mean, you're not going to pay your mortgage with it. You're not going to pay your car payment with it. But for 1 hour of your time, right here, 1 hour, you know, you can make $50 to $80. Sign up today. You know, the website is producttube.com. Our second opportunity is Field Agent. Now, Field Agent, it says you're a click away from stores, sales, and shopping anywhere. Field Agent is on-demand retail success platform, lets you audit stores, drive trials, and connect with shoppers instantly. Visit the marketplace. It says win at retail on demand. Powered by over 2 million real shoppers across the United States, the Field Agent platform offers a full suite of fast, easy, cost-effective tools to help you retail professionally solve common retail challenges. Whether you're in need to see the in-store or drive products trial, connect with shoppers and generate ratings, reviews, and platforms. It says request a demo. They're on our platform. You know, take a couple of this, you know, Gerber baby food, Kellogg's, Chloride, Gillette shavers, you know, talk with someone, OxyClean. Explore the Field Agent program. It's in-store visibility, shopper insight, and you drive the trial. Next thing right here, again, about the Field Agent program. I'm excited to utilize the Field Agent digital demo model, a primary growth engine for many of your emerging brands. I will never execute a traditional sampling program again. My sampling from this point forward will always be done through the Field Agent program. And then we're definitely moving in the right direction. I love the data points of this platform provides. Excellent to see results continue to come in and leverage for the next year. You know how it works? Watch your video.
Brands, retailers, and agencies across the industry face a variety of challenges, from monitoring in-store conditions to driving product trial to understanding shoppers. These all seem like enormous challenges, and there's no simple solution for any one of them. Scratch that. There was no simple solution. Today, there's Field Agent, an on-demand platform powered by over 2 million real shoppers around the world. The Field Agent platform offers a full marketplace of fast, affordable, altogether flexible products designed to help brands like yours succeed at retail. Do you need visibility in-store or across the omnichannel landscape? No problem. We have products optimally designed to capture photos and information anywhere your products are sold. Having trouble getting your products that crucial first-time purchase? Good news! We have real shoppers standing by right now to purchase, try, and even review your products. From display audits to digital demos, ratings and reviews to price checks, think of the Field Agent platform as your all-in-one toolkit for winning customers, outmaneuvering competitors, and growing sales. And, best of all, you can launch a product in the time it takes for you to watch this video. Bottom line, the Field Agent platform helps companies from the Fortune 500 to Main Street USA succeed in retail every single day. And we've been doing it for over a decade. Designed by retail professionals for retail professionals, all to help you win at retail. That's the Field Agent On-Demand Retail Solutions platform.
All right, so right there's the Field Agent program. You can kind of go to careers here at the bottom, open positions, and you click learn more. And then basically it kind of tells you about your responsibilities and what you have to do. Doesn't say exactly what you get paid. I think you got to get hired or talk with somebody, but apply for this position right there. All right, there's our first two, Product Tube and Field Agent. So, yep, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Two side hustles that you can do. The one, it's 1 hour a month, and the other one, it could be part-time or full-time. All right, our next one is TaskRabbit. Number 3 is TaskRabbit. Help when you need to find at your fingertips. So TaskRabbit is, these are the popular projects in your area. So if you take a look, if you're into moving boxes in a truck, the average project pays about $56 to $140. You know, if you want a mounted TV or mirror, the average project pays about $60 to $120. Assembling a table or desk, average project can pay about $53 to $128. You know, fix a running toilet. You know, if you're a good handyman, you know, you can pick up 5 or 10 of these jobs a month, pay $60 to $135. Office home delivery. Again, TaskRabbit is pretty good here. It's paying anywhere from $23 to $65. Lift furniture upstairs, pays anywhere from $45 to $100. Plant flowers, average project's $50 to $130. All right, so there you go. You got number 3 is TaskRabbit. It's got your locations. Become a tasker over here at the top right. You click it. It says average per hour, earn money your way. See how much you can make in the TaskRabbit in the Cleveland area, depending on which area. So let's say if you were in Chicago, Chicago's paying an average of $57 per hour. If you were in Denver, Denver's at $50 an hour. Let's say you're in Hawaii, $34 an hour in Hawaii. Kansas City, $33 an hour. Milwaukee, $33. New York City, $63 in New York. Okay. Philadelphia, $51. So again, it kind of gives you a little thing here, earn and get started. You click there today. Number 3 is TaskRabbit. Number 4 opportunity is Instacart. Instacart, a lot of people are starting to do the Instacart. Shop with your Instacart and be your own boss. You put your zip code here to get started. Earn extra money shopping for others. As shoppers, you will go to the grocery store like normal, expect and get paid for shopping for others. Work whenever you want to. There's no set hours or days. You can shop as much or as little as you want, anytime you want. You know how to shop here. Communicate with your customers. Shop your customers' orders with Instacart. Shop and earn. Choose and order what you want. Like this order right here, as you can see, paying $24.67 if you decided to take this order. Now, which type of role is right for you? There's 2 different things. There's shop and deliver, and there's shop only. The shop only prepares orders of the Instacart employees. There's no car required. You prepare the orders at the store, and you schedule shifts up to 29 hours a week. You know, the other one, shop and deliver, is full service shopping, is a contract role. It requires a car. You deliver to the customer's door, and you work whenever you want. And again, we already did the drop down on the prices of what you can make. So number 4 is going to be Instacart. Number 5 is Lyft. You know, it's a pretty popular thing, Lyft. To view the details, open your Lyft app. You know, everybody, Lyft is an actual driving app that you're picking people up, the driver's guide to get paid. You know, we want to help you and stay busy on the road with your driving resources, designed to give you all the information you will need to maximize your earnings. So Lyft, and kind of like Uber, is another way that you can do this. You would come over here and sign up if you want to become a driver. The earnings, how to start earning on the road, how to earn smart on the road, start busy, maximize your earnings. So they have all kinds of platforms to kind of help you to do the Lyft program. So again, the Lyft program, you know, tools to find, predict riders' demands, how to easily understand your pay, you know, pay, time, distance, tips, and bonuses, how your pay works, take the tutorial, and again, once you get your card set up. So number 5 is going to be Lyft. So right there, we got 5 opportunities so far that these are side hustles, part-time things, full-time things that you can do. The next one we're going to be talking about, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Number 6 is going to be Target. Target is actually promoting $24 an hour right now. This is a get a job Target boost the starting pay for someone to $24 an hour. So if you want to go to Target, some stores are paying $24 an hour. Now it kind of talks about in this article that starting wages for some positions will go up to $24 an hour. Now Target set their minimum wage in 2020 at $15 an hour. Another nice thing about Target here is they get their medical. You used to have to work 30 hours a week. Now you only have to work 25 hours a week. So they're making improvements for everybody. Also, it's less time to actually get involved in their 401k program, which is real good. Most of these changes are happening because restaurants and chains have moved the minimum wage to $15 an hour. Amazon raised their wage in 2018 to $15 an hour. And then Walmart right here is giving everybody a dollar raise to $12 an hour. So the sixth opportunity that we have listed today is Target. $24 an hour. And last and surely not least, our featured company is DoorDash. Restaurants on the move, delivered to the door, favorites near to you. I mean, I don't know, some of the people use DoorDash all the time. Some people have never used DoorDash, but it's a great way, become a Dasher, start earning, become a partner, try the app. Nice thing about DoorDash is you can do it part-time or full-time. Same kind of thing. You turn the app on when you want to do it. Work for an hour, work for 5 hours, work for 5 days, work for 7 days. However you want to do it. All right, so there's our 7 companies that we were talking about. ProductTube, Field Agent, TaskRabbit, Instacart, Lyft, Target, and last but not least, DoorDash. All right, everybody. Also, we're going to link a video at the end about Drip Network. If you're looking to actually make 365% on your investment, 1% a day, I'll link a video at the end. It's a crypto project. But again, these are some opportunities that you can actually make. There's some full-time opportunities, some part-time things, even the thing for 1 hour a month, $50 to $80 for 1 hour a month. That's, again, the ProductTube. All right, everybody, click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network, make 1% a day, 365%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later.